Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do the annual test of the house file system that I installed. So right here I have my Logitech 8005 here, and my pull station is a Miracom 741A, and I have this smoke detector that didn't go off. System sensor spectral. System sensor classic 2400 IO smoke detector. And right here I have my system sensor P4 array. And outside I have my Logitech integrity strobe. So let's go to the basement.
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? In the bathroom I have a Wheelock CH70 that I installed. Logitech control with one hand.
I've asked you before to carry that with two hands with the lids closed.
Yes, I know that.
So why aren't you doing it?
Be very careful not to hit any buttons. So, in the basement here, this smoke detector keeps going off when I installed it because it was caused by a heater last summer. And right here I have a system sensor spectral alerts advanced. And now I have a Wheelock 7-4128. And now under the staircase I have a smoke detector ivory under the staircase in the pull station under the staircase. Well, I don't have a pull station in there yet. I have to install that. I have a pull station right here. I have a, what is it called? The Simbox T-Bar. And in the living room I have, in the laundry room I have a system sensor spectral advance up there too. I don't have the pull station wired up yet. I have to get one someday. We'll begin the test later on when we check all the devices. Where are you going with that?
I'm gonna hang it.
To where?
It's right over here. Put that in.
Upstairs. So, up here, I have a smoke detector in the hallway. You kitty. System sensor spectral alert. And my Logitech 8005, and out there, my pull station, I have a Logitech 8005 7.1A station, and system sensor spectral alerts are. And in here, I have the announcer here as well. And for the, come on, there we go. Right here, I have a Wheelock pull station. And I have an Edwards Genesis Hornstrobe. And in the closet, I have a Relox 70. And in this room, I have a Simplex 2907 2999 04. Alright, now let's begin the test. Excuse me.
Is it going to make it impossible to bring things down and up?
So, let's start here with the first full station. Here we go. The strobe's good. I have a Mirtome, Miracom, MA-24 horn strobe that I installed too. Set the strobe center. Smoke detector. Sometimes label that. Alright. Now let's hit the back door pull station. Here we go. Back door pull station. So now let's hit the upstairs before we do the basement. I have to install a smoke detector and alternator. Maybe in a few weeks. So let's hit this upstairs here. I was just starting. Braden's bedroom pull station. So this. The same upstairs here. Other room pull station. That horn strobe was good. Oh, hey. Horn strobe's good. Let's hit this pull station. Michelle and Dad's bedroom pull station. So now, one more thing. The detector. Miracom doesn't sound good. Miracom horns do not sound that good. I need to put a new horn strobe in. Have a new horn here. Let's hit the basement. Here for show. Molly Peanuts. Oh! Thank you. Just a gauge right here. Let's hit this bathroom. First bedroom pull station. First bathroom pull station. What are you doing?
Hanging the shelf.
What?
Hanging the shelf. What are you doing?
Stuff. So now it's in basements. Let's have this smoke detector. Spectre the best, so I'm gonna pull this and hear it. Draw the lights so you guys can see the spectre. Now let's hit the smoke detector. Now we have shed, other stairs, smoke photo, other staircase, and I don't bathroom thing hooked up yet. I have to stuff. Yeah, you can't bypass Max. All the strokes are good now, so now we are good to one more thing. Again, smoke. I keep forgetting. We have basement living room pole station and the smoke from the laundry room pole station. Living room smoke detector. Forgot about that. So now we are good to reset. Stop. Hi. Hi, Velma. Hi, sweetheart. Step over that crap. There, system normal. Now unplug it. System trouble, AC fault. AC fail, power loss. So we did all that. Max, make sure it works. Yep, that was doing the annual testing on my dad's house. My room system by.